Hello, I'm Erik.
And I'm John.
And this is Grimsmo Knives.
Welcome. Guess what?
We're hiring.
We're looking to add a new person to our team.
Yeah, we're looking for a finishing technician to help me finish all the knives.
Is that going to be you?
Let's see.
Are you super eager to learn, like me? Very detail-oriented? A dog lover? Or also like me, someone who can tolerate dogs? Are you able to live and work in Canada?
Do you have your own Lego guy?
Then we've got a job for you.
So Erik, why do you need someone to help you out?
Honestly, there aren't enough hours in the day for what we're trying to accomplish here. We have enough work to keep another person busy, and we need that.
Yeah, we've got huge ambitions and goals and dreams, and this makes a perfect fit for us right now.
Yeah. So I need someone who's willing to help me with basically everything I do, starting with running the lapping machine down there like Sky's doing, helping me buff, polish, deburr parts, hopefully help me sharpen knives, anodize, assemble, setting them up so they work right, basically everything that in the end processes that makes the knife actually be a knife. So what I'm looking for is someone who is really good at working with their hands, has good hand-eye coordination, preferably they have really good eyesight so we can really see the fine details, willingness to learn just everything and anything, and the urge to get better at everything. Like whatever you're doing in life, just trying to get better at it all the time. You know, never calling it good enough. Those are pretty important for what I want in a person.
We're not necessarily looking for a knife maker per se.
No, just someone who can work and knows how to do stuff with their hands. Like if you've taken apart an engine and put it back together, putting it back together is the important part.
Or if you make jewelry, if you make figurines, and
custom watch parts, or anything that just shows that you have an ability to do finer things.
Right. Fine details, precision, attention to detail is one of our biggest traits.
Yeah.
Like this is the process that takes machine parts and turns it into beauty. Like I always tell people, I machine the parts and Erik makes them beautiful. Yeah. And then that whole division is growing.
And that's what we want from you.
If you want to apply to this position, the next thing we need, I want a video of you guys, as we're doing right now. Pull out your cell phone. Please make it sideways, not up and down, because we're watching this on a computer. Just be conscious of that.
Yep.
2-minute maximum, do not go over.
Yep.
Part of this process is, well, for one, you're going to be on film, being in the shop here. So you don't have to be good at it, but I want you to prove that you're slightly comfortable on camera and are willing to step out of your shoes and know what to do with your hands. Hashtag Talladega Nights. I'm saying you don't have to be the most charismatic, person, but I want to get a sense of who you are on video and just introduce yourselves.
Yeah. Let us know what you've done in the past, what skills you might have that we might be interested in, skills you don't think we're interested in but they're important to you.
Yep.
Even if you can't think of anything, if you golf, if you do a sport that's really technical, anything that just takes some skill, let us know that, because we want to know, and we want to know who you are in this video.
Yep. So with this video, feel free to edit it, don't edit it, whatever. We're not hiring a video editor, but I do want a 2-minute maximum. Take as many takes as you want, and just show us what you got. Tell us who you are. I want to meet you.
Yeah.
So Erik did an example video. We're going to throw that in, and we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Hey there, my name's Erik Grimsmo of Grimsmo Knives, and that's Falcor. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself and how I got to where I am. So I started working when I was 15, got a job at McDonald's. My next job there was I installed insulation for a construction company. So I did that for a few months, and then left there, and after that I went, this is where I think it really helped me become who I am. I became a boat detailer at a boat dealership. Some people would ask for a detail job. So instead of just washing it for 20 minutes to make it kind of clean, a detail would be like half a day or a full day of fully cleaning. So it really got me to get good at really focus on what the details we need to pay attention to are to get the proper work done. So that was big. That taught me a lot about that. And then after that, I went into sales. I worked for Cutco, the kitchen knife, direct sales company, and I was in sales for them for a while, and then I became a manager, an assistant manager, and then a district manager, and also learned a ton there about what it takes to run a business and how hard running a business actually is, especially at the age of 22 by yourself. So did that for a while, and then again moved on, didn't see myself there forever, and eventually got a job working at a hotel with one of my best friends. And so yeah, when I was working at the hotel, that was, kind of where John came around, and he started thinking about making knives. And, I was in a decent job and, could have stayed there for sure and, done all right. But I was still in a spot where I didn't see myself being in that job for more than like a 2-year period, which was kind of the going rate until I found what I really wanted to do. And in my opinion, having all those different experiences and different jobs kind of seems like it really helped me become more of a well-rounded person, instead of just having a focus in just one area. Like, I'm only a detailer, that's all I know how to do is wash boats or something. But no, I can do that, and I can wash cars, and I can clean the shop, and I can pay a lot of attention to a lot of fine details that now comes into play when we're working on knives. Yeah, that brought me to where John was starting a business.
So if that seems interesting to you at all, link is in the description to get to the application site. You're just gonna, all the details are gonna be there, and you just apply, put your video in the section where you put the video, and then get your application into us. So if you're interested, or you know anybody that's interested, feel free to share, like, subscribe, all that. But if you know somebody that might be looking for a job who lives in our area, feel free to send this out to them and let them know, because we're looking for anybody that's good and qualified. Thanks for watching.